Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy, expertvillage.com, all about basic balloon twisting. And now we're going to do the basic rabbit. Now the good news is if you've done the basic dog and the giraffe, this is pretty much the same thing with different dimensions again. Now there's a couple things you can do with it at the end that I'm going to show you. So we want to take our balloon, we want to make a small bubble. This is an inch, maybe inch and a half. Then we're going to take like a hand and a half like this and make a long bubble like that and a long bubble like that, so we have something like this. Actually, we'll adjust that. So we have something like this. We want to twist this together. That's going to make the head and the ears for the rabbit. Make about 2 fingers for the neck and about 3 fingers for the front legs. So we have this right here. Now we just want to make a short body, like a 2-finger body, and then we want to make about a hand's width for the legs. And you can just take a little bit at the end. You can squeeze that if you need to get the air there. And we'll twist that together. Now this can be a basic rabbit. What I like to do is take the front legs and tuck them into the back legs like that. Then the rabbit stands up this way. Now I'm going to show you one other way to do that, because you can make the rabbit a different way. You can make the rabbit head just like we did before. Then we're going to make the front legs just like we did before. But this time we can make a little bit longer body and make the 2 back legs the same length. Then what we can do is take the body, tuck it down into the legs, and roll those around like that, and then the rabbit's sitting down in a different position. So that's 2 ways to make a basic rabbit.